Welcome back to Britton Farm Homestead. Today we are going to dig up our sweet potatoes that I planted in the kiddie pool. I was kind of doing an experiment to see if they would grow. So I'm going to dig them up today because it won't be long and we're going to have a frost. And from what I know, we need to get them up before it frosts. So we'll see what we got going on. I don't know if they're going to be tiny, if they even made anything, but we're gonna check it out. But let me show you this, guys. Told my grandmother I was gonna come dig up these sweet potatoes. Let me show you what's happening right now. Out here, sitting on our walker, just pulling away at these sweet potatoes, trying to get them up. Grandmama, you gonna fall off that? Look at you out here just working away.
Oh, I know, but I ain't saw anything look like a tater yet.
Oh, well, maybe we'll find some. I hope we find some.
Well, I do too. Some healthy looking vines anyway.
Yeah, they sure are pretty. I hate to pull them up, but I think it's gonna frost on them.
Yeah, they done all they're gonna do, I'm thinking anyway.
All right, well, let me get them.
Plenty of them there.
Well, all right, whatever. You so stubborn.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here.
So this is our haul of sweet potatoes today. We got one right here that's a golly whopper of one. But to be planting in a swimming pool, a kiddie pool, I think these did pretty good. I started out with 5 sweet potato slips, and this is what I got from 5 sweet potato slips. I don't know how many pounds any of it is, but we're pretty happy with it. I think it turned out pretty well. Grandmama, what are you gonna make with these sweet potatoes?
Well, I love candied potatoes.
Candied potatoes.
Candied sweet potatoes. And I also love a potato custard, potato pie. And baked potatoes. Just give me sweet potatoes.
You just potato crazy, huh?
I love them. I do.
Well, I think we got some to last you a little while. We're just gonna set them out. We aren't sure if we're gonna put them in the sunshine for them to sweeten up yet, because they gotta stay 2 weeks somewhere where it's warm so they'll sweeten up. We don't know if we're gonna leave them out in the sunshine or if we're gonna put them in the greenhouse or what we're gonna do with them just yet to keep them warm so they'll sweeten up. They need to stay around 80 degrees or so, I've read. So we'll see what we figure out to do with them, but we're gonna go ahead and figure out where we're gonna put them. So we're about to take our potatoes here and go put them down on a piece of newspaper in my grandmother's extra bedroom in front of the window. She doesn't have the heat on in there or the air, so it gets pretty warm during the day. And from what I've read, that's what makes the potatoes sweet, is being warm and not the actual sunshine. So we're gonna take them, we're gonna put them in her extra bedroom in front of the window. We're gonna leave them there about 2 weeks, and then my grandmother's gonna dig into them. She loves sweet potatoes. I planted these for her because I don't even eat sweet potatoes. I'm not a fan of them. But I'm super happy with what happened with just 5 slips, and my grandmother just doubted that they would grow at all in a kiddie pool, but they did pretty well, I think. If you're liking our videos and you want to see more videos, and go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell so you get that notification every time we put out a video. And I hope all of y'all have a great day, and God bless you.